Osgood-Schlatters.
Bless you.
Thank you, but that wasn't actually a sneeze. Osgood-Schlatters. What is it? So it's a technical term. Now you have a ligament that runs from your shin bone and connects up onto the kneecap area. What happens is if you have an imbalance in the low back and pelvis, it's going to cause you to walk and run funny. It's really common in teenagers if they're athletic, and they always complain about knee pain. So what's actually happening is the tendon is pulling the bone apart, which is why it's very painful. Something that you could do at home is after you get done running or being active, you can ice the area really well for at least 15 minutes. But if that's just not enough for you, maybe you need to consider chiropractic care. So come on down to Lowe Chiropractic, give us a call. We'll do an exam, get the plan, and get the results that you're looking for. Definitely get adjustments and get everything back in place. I'm Dr. Paulson. I'll see you soon.